everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Ridge Rider. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus Ridge Rider itself. A very interesting design. Now the Ridge Rider provides intense stimulation, either solo or together. Its curved tip makes it perfect for not only G-spot stimulation, but P-spot stimulation as well. It has studs on the outside of the base just here, and it also has a ribbed shaft as well, which simultaneously stimulate your perineum and clitoris. It's made of a body-safe silicone and is also slightly flexible at the top just here. Because of its wide base, it's absolutely perfect to control. And it also comes with vibrations as well. You can easily cycle through 6 powerful vibrations. To turn on, press and hold down for 3 seconds. Vibrations begin and a blue light indicates it's on. To change the vibrations, click on the same button and decide which vibrations are the best for you. To turn it off, press and hold down for 3 seconds and it's now off. It's very simple and easy to charge. The charging point is located by the letters DC. Using the USB charging cable provided, simply slot it in like so and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now when using the Ridge Rider, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and of course make sure to clean after every use using either toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or alternatively you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Now the Ridge Rider is also waterproof, so you can enjoy this in the bath or shower for extra fun sensations. Also included is a Ridge Rider user manual. And that is the Nexus Ridge Rider. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.